Friends, today you learn about the equation of motion. As you know, when an object moves in a straight line, its velocity is changed. And when the velocity is changed, that's why therefore the acceleration is involved. It is possible to relate its velocity, acceleration during motion, and the distance covered by it in a certain time interval a set of equations known as equation of motion. There are three equations of motion. First, v is equal to u plus at. Second, s equal to ut plus half at square. And third is 2as is equal to v square minus u square, where in the equation u is initial velocity, means by which the object moves in starting. V is final velocity, t is time taken, duration the u and v, s is travel distance, and a is produce acceleration. Okay, now we derive the equation. How can we derive the equation v is equal to u plus at? So let's assume an object moving with a velocity u. After t second, the velocity become v. We know that the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Means acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. मीन्स उस टाइम ड्यूरेशन में उस ऑब्जेक्ट की वेलोसिटी क्या थी, क्या हो गई और कितना टाइम लगा, दैट इज एक्सेलरेशन. दैट इज एक्सेलरेशन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज ए इक्वल टू फाइनल वेलोसिटी मीन्स v minus initial velocity u upon time t. By the cross multiplication, the denominator of a is 1. So by the cross multiplication, when 1 is multiplied by u minus v, so v minus u is equal to a into t. Then when we transfer minus u to the right side, then we get v is equal to u plus at. This is the derivation of equation first, v is equal to u plus at. Now the derivation of second equation, s equal to ut plus half at square, where s is travel distance, u initial velocity, t time, a acceleration. Okay, so this statement is same as the first derivation. Let's assume that an object moving with a velocity u, after t second the velocity become v. Then average speed is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. You know the formula that is travel distance equal to speed into time. So here travel distance is represented as s. So s is equal to average speed u plus v upon 2 multiply time is t. We put up u plus v. We know that from the equation first v is equal to u plus at. Then we can put up the value v is equal to u plus at from equation first. Then we get here s equal to u plus, at the place of v, u plus at upon 2 multiply t. So u plus u, that is 2u plus at upon 2 multiply by t. When we open the bracket, then t will multiply. So we get s equal to 2ut plus at square upon 2. Then we write the both term separately. S equal to 2ut upon 2 plus at square upon 2. 2 and 2 will be cut here. Then we get s equal to ut plus half at square. Now third equation is 2 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Let's assume an object moving with a velocity u. After t seconds, the velocity become v. Same the statement in equation first and in equation second. So average speed is equal to u plus v upon 2. Then same formula, travel distance is equal to average speed into time. That is, distance is represented as s. S equal to u plus v upon 2 into t. Then s equal to u v plus u upon 2 multiply. We can put up at the place of t. We know that from the equation first, a equal to v minus u upon t. So when we do the cross multiply, we get that t will be go here and a will come here. Then t is equal to v minus u upon a. We can put up at the place of t v minus u upon a. So that is at the place of t. When we multiply it, so u plus v, v plus u and v minus u, where we use the formula a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Then we get v square minus u square upon 2a. By the cross multiplication, here's numerator is 1. Then we multiply s multiply 2a, that is 2as equal to v square minus u square. This is the derivation of third equation. When we take any object through upward, when the object moves through the gravity. When we throw any object upward, that times the object moves through the gravity. In that condition, we take the same equation as v is equal to u plus gt, where a is acceleration. So when we throw the object upward, the acceleration is involved because of the gravity. Therefore, it is converted into g. And travel distance is taken as height, that is h. The same equation will be converted in v is equal to u plus gt, h equal to ut plus half gt square, and 2gh is equal to v square minus u square. Means a is converted into acceleration, convert into gravitational acceleration g, and travel distance is converted into h. And we can write at the place of a is j and s is h. Thank you.